Welcome to Auto Express Review. If you're a fan of sports bikes, you're in for a treat. Today, we're reviewing the all-new Yamaha R15 V5, 2025, a bike that has taken the market by storm with its aggressive styling, advanced features, and thrilling performance. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. Design and styling, sharper than ever. The Yamaha R15 V5 comes with a more aggressive and aerodynamic design, inspired by its bigger siblings like the R7 and R1. The twin LED headlights, sculpted fuel tank, and sporty graphics give it a premium supersport look. The updated fairing design not only enhances its aesthetics but also improves wind resistance, making it perfect for high-speed riding. Engine and performance, power meets precision. Under the hood, the 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine remains, but with better tuning for improved efficiency and throttle response. Producing around 18.4 HP and 14.2 Nm torque, it's still one of the most powerful bikes in its category. Thanks to variable valve actuation, VVA, the R15 V5 delivers strong mid-range and top-end power, making it a beast on highways and tracks. Technology and features, more premium than ever. One of the biggest upgrades is its advanced instrument cluster, now featuring Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone notifications, and a revised interface. Yamaha has also added traction control and a quick shifter, in higher variants, for an even sportier experience. Safety-wise, ABS, anti-lock braking system, and assist and slipper clutch come as standard, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Riding experience, built for speed, not comfort. The USD forks in the front and monoshock at the rear improve handling, making the R15 V5 more stable in corners and at high speeds. However, its aggressive riding posture and stiff suspension might not be ideal for everyday commuting. The newly designed seat is slightly better for long rides, but this bike is primarily made for thrill seekers. Auto Express Review, what the experts say. Auto Express has tested the Yamaha R15 V5 and praised its sharp handling, lightweight frame, and refined engine performance. They highlighted that while it excels as a performance-focused bike, it may not be the best choice for city commuting due to its stiff suspension and aggressive stance. However, for those looking for an entry-level supersport experience, this bike is an excellent choice. Final verdict, should you buy it? If you want a high-performance, stylish, and feature-packed sports bike, the Yamaha R15 V5, 2025, is one of the best options in its segment. However, if comfort and practicality are your main concerns, you might need to think twice. Like this review? Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting bike reviews. See you in the next video.